Hey YouTube, this is a quick video on Face ID. I'm doing the Face ID on iPhone 11. As you can see, this is all original. This is all original cable, original Face ID thing, flex. Everything's original. I already cleaned out the glue between the frame and the flex. And I just want to show you guys that I was looking at some videos, guys trying to pull this cable that way, the way where the flex goes, but there's this edge on the way, so it doesn't really doesn't really go very easily. You can damage the flex. So I tried that, struggle with it a little, with that a little bit, and I just figured out that you can actually remove it the other way, and it's actually a lot easier. So I'm gonna show you. See, I put everything back together so I can show what's happening here. Okay, so it's kind of separated already. I got it cleaned out. The prism is it's great shape. I did not scratch that. So basically move it out this direction. See, but you have to make sure to clean this glue on between the metal piece and the flex. You have to clean out the glue. You have to take out all the glue so it's not on the way. So you just kind of play with it like that. Go ahead, go like that, and then flatten out the, in this direction, and flatten out a little bit here, and it goes a lot easier this way. As you can see, it goes straight through, and the cable is free. So I just want to show you guys that this is easier to take it out from a different direction. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thanks guys.